go finish that T-bone job. Yeah. Your last hurrah. And Carol a chance to blow out some steam at the same time.
You already did the Patrick Morlans.
I was there this morning. Oh, he said to say hi.
He didn't do it.
Oh, I did. He said to say hi before.